कर लिया नो फैप के ऊपर वीडियो सर्च, फिर से वहीं पहुंच गए, फिर से वही मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देख रहे हो, या फिर से उन्हीं कंटेंट क्रिएटर की बातें सुन रहे हो जिनको पहले सुन के आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. Bro, this will repeat itself endlessly, bro, until you decide to change yourself. There is a quote in the Bible which says, God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. You are the outcome of what you have sowed, bro. What you are the outcome of what you have done, bro. If you will do the bad things will happen to you. If you do the good things will happen to you. So भाई सिंपल है, ये नो फैप जैसे कुछ नहीं होता. सीमन रिटेंशन तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. सो नो फैप जैसा कुछ नहीं है ब्रो. बहुत से ऐसे टेक्निक्स है कि अपने हाथ में रबर बैंड बांध लो, फिर उसको मारो, दैन यू विल डिसाइड दैट यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट फैप. एंड सम कहते हैं कि हफ्ते में इट्स गुड टू डू वंस और ट्वाइस इन अ वीक. नो ब्रो, दैट्स ऑल बुलशिट ब्रो. मैंने भी बहुत सारे सर्च कर चुका यूट्यूब में. आई हैव बीन इन द बॉडी बिल्डिंग सिंस 70, नाउ आई एम एज 20 and I've been also suffering from the same thing that you have suffered, bro. Same thing. We are no different, bro. There is some things that I know that you don't know, bro. If you are watching this video, this will help you a lot. This is no changing method. This is not a method. This is not a type of video of you join this server, you do this, tap on this link, and you will completely stop doing fab. No, bro. This is not like that. Whatever you think in your mind, you will attract that. If you think about negative things, universe will give it to you, bro. Universe will give negative things to you, bro. Let's jump into the solution right now. So when I started doing bodybuilding, I actually realized that I was counting my sets, and I was counting I was counting my set, and I was counting my repetitions. Like if I increase the repetitions on the certain weight, if I increase the repetition on certain sets, in weeks or in months, I will see that I'm able to lift heavier weight. Like जैसे कि पहले मैं 100 kg उठा पाता था. So when I increases the set on the same weight, यानी 100 kg से मैं और rep करने लगा, मैं और ज़्यादा set करने लगा. So I saw that in months and in weeks, I saw that I am able to lift more weight, like 110 kgs, 150 kgs, and all that, and I started seeing significant progress. So this gym thing is directly correlated with your fab. You start no fab. I've seen in Discord server that I am on no fab day 67. I'm on no fab day 167. This won't help, bro. If you start tracking your no fab days, you will eventually get addicted. You will eventually have that addiction in you. You will have that urge in you that you will get back to the same. You will relapse on that, bro. You will get back to the same day 0. If you started from day 0 and you have reached to day 67, if you think about that, I have reached to the no fab day 67, you will eventually try to get back to the same place from where you have started. You will again try to think in your mind. Your mind will automatically try to go back to the same place. You will try to do fab. I really want to say that just don't count your no fab days. Just think about yourself. Think about your current situation, what you are doing right now. Like suppose you are fapping for at least 29 days in a month. There are 30 to 31 days in a month. You are fapping for 29 days a month. So let's just start focusing on reducing those days. Like if you are in this month, what it is today is maybe July 31st. So on the 1st of August, you decide that you have fab for 29 days. Now I will decrease these fab days from 29 days to 28 days to 24 days. You can do that eventually, and eventually after 4 to 5 to 6 months, you will see the progress, that you are able to increase the fab days to 29 days to 20 days to 15 days to 14 days. Eventually that day will come that you have reached to 1 fab day in a month. Eventually you will see that progress, bro. Just try this for few 6 months, because eventually तुमने सारी YouTube वीडियोस तो ट्राई कर ही ली होगी on no fab, कि how to do no fab, count your days, count your weeks. Focus on going to the gym, bro. Be more productive. Don't waste your time, bro. I know it might sound similar to you, bro, but this is the truth. Start going to the gyms, start working on anything, start reading a book, start writing, start journaling your days, like what you do in the morning, what you do in the afternoon, what you're doing in the night. Start progressing in your life, bro, because this is a hyper competitive world. If you'll not sacrifice for what you want will become sacrifice, bro. So start showing the God beauty of his own creations, and start this. In every YouTube channel you can find these things, but I don't tell you that, because that shit doesn't work. So simply you have to do these steps that I've told you, and start focusing on yourself, bro. Start focusing, be busy, bro, be productive, and remember, God cannot be mocked. As a man reaps what he sows, bro. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows, bro. Let's go.